Hi guys, and welcome to Cardmaking with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mermaid tail card completely by hand. It's personalized, so you can put your child's name, if they have a short name, in the mermaid tail. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I share fun and easy to follow card making and crafting tutorials. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make your card. You have your base card, layers, and these are for your mermaid scales. We're going to put everything aside. I have a template that I've created, which I'm going to provide to you as a Google document. You're going to print this out, preferably in cardstock, so that you can use it as your template whenever you want to make cards like these. And we're going to cut all of these sections out. That's one, and I'm going to cut out all the rest of these. So now we have our template cut out, and the instructions are on each of the pieces. So this is the base card, cut out and use on a top folded 11 by 4 base card. This is the inside layer, and this card you could do 1 layer or 2 layers on the inside. You have your front layer, and that goes to the top of the card, and your tail layer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this piece of letter size paper down to 2 pieces that are 4 by 5.5, because I'm doing 2 layers for inside my card. I have another piece just for the other layer. I'm going to take my pre-scored 4 by 11 card. I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to put it aside with the base card on it. I'm going to take these 2. That's for the inside layer. I'm going to take this 1 tail, turn it over, and I'm going to use it for this. I'm just going to use this for this. For your base card, you want to line up the top perfectly with the top here on the folded side. And then I am going to trace my mermaid template onto my base card. I'm going to trace my inside layer the same way. Now I can take all my templates, put them together, and you're going to put this wherever you keep your templates for cards. Now I'm going to cut all of these out, and we're going to get started with making this card. If you're worried about cutting this one equally, you just put the 2 of them together and you tape. Now let's cut these out. So now you have your card base that opens like this. You have your top layer, and you have your tail that should fit excellent right at your top layer right here like this. And if you open your card, you have the inside pieces where you could stamp something on that fits like this and like this. So we're going to put these aside, and we're going to start decorating the front of this here. You want to take all of these pieces of paper, and you want to punch out 1-inch circles. I'm going to take all my colors and I'm going to sort them. So I have my upper layer and 9 different colors of circles. I have about 3 to 4 in each one of these. I'm using a scrap piece of paper to protect my mat, and let's stick these down. So how are you sticking these down? You're going to put some glue at the bottom here to start with, and you're going to take your first color, and this is the width of 1 inch. So we're going to put this directly on the width there and make sure it's stuck down, and that's perfect. Then you're going to put a line of glue to the top here, maybe 2 dots at the back. Grab 2 colors, and you're going to make these join where this one is ending. So right where this one stops here, these are going to join. And that is how you're going to join it, building up on your card. So for this next one, I'm going to put glue on the whole back and stick it right where this one is joining, just here. And for the next two, we're going to put glue here, here, and here. We're going to grab two pieces, put one to the side here. Remember, you're not overlapping at the side. Oh, we didn't need any glue on top here, sorry. And put one to the side here. Put glue on two of these and drop them where these are joining right here. Grab yourself two more and place this one at the center, and then line up this one with this one. Oh, it looks like a bunch of grapes like this. How cute does that look? You're gonna turn it over and we're gonna cut all of these excess off. Now we have our upper layer. We're gonna bring in our base card, our inside layers, our tail. I'm gonna use this scrap piece of paper to build a name for my card. I use this letter die cut set to die cut the name Kate, C-A-T-E. And I'm gonna build those letters now. So it looks like this. I'm gonna rest this over here. The last thing we're gonna need for this card is a little cute bow. So I'm gonna take a piece of ribbon that is 1/8 inch wide, and I'm gonna tie a bow. Let's stick this card together. So this is the front of our card. We're going to put this like so. If you look at how I cut my card, I feel like there's a bigger space here. I am going to, and I wanted to show you this so that you can see what you can do. I'm going to just make a mark where my space is larger, and I'm going to just snip that down. Now it's perfect, right? So I'm gonna stick this directly onto a card now. And then we're gonna line up our tail, make sure it fits nicely before we stick it down. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this. Listen, how cute is it? Out of this world that we could make this with no dies, no Cricut. It's perfectly imperfect because of course if you're using dies it's gonna fit perfectly, but could you imagine you can create such a shaped card? Any girl would love this, any. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up, a like, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.